Primera Technologies is a company that manufactures epoxy resins and polyurethane systems customized for whatever our customers' needs are. So we take a pretty standard system and we'll turn that into something that might work in their plant to increase their productivity. Labels for us are two different things. So for our industrial side, they're a little bit less important. They need to look nice, but they need to have all the important information that our customer needs about safety, hazard, shipping instructions, those kinds of things. But for our MOS business, which is more retail, it's critical that they look nice. They have to have the right look and all the, again, same information so the consumer gets what they need off the label. When we outsourced our labels, we ran into several different issues. Some of them were just timing. If we had a product that had to get out and we didn't expect an order, we'd oftentimes have to put pressure on them to deliver those labels into their schedule. Some other things would be a redesign or renaming or rebranding something. It took us months to try to get that done, whereas now all that's done in-house. So if we come out with a new product next Tuesday, and we want that to ship on next Thursday, we can get that all done internally. When we chose the CX1000, we really didn't know what we needed, but we knew we wanted to print labels faster, cheaper, those kinds of things, and have full color capability. When we started with it, we thought we were going to actually get pre-die cut labels, print on those, and then apply those to our containers. We ended up kind of converting that as we got new shapes and designs and also chemical resistance. We needed to then get a finisher to add to that.
We kind of all collaborated together and decided it'd be a good idea to kind of go big or go home, I guess, and have more freedom and flexibility than be limited to one printer, I guess. Basically speed and, I guess, flexibility of printing different size labels and different custom cut files, and we're kind of setting up our own internal system for printing. So we're going to have everything saved as item numbers, so we know if I need to print 35130, I can just go look up 35130 and hit print, and we know everything's good to go. Basically have labels on demand. Like if you need something now, and since we're coming out with so many new products and we need sample labels and we need to send those out, I can print, cut, and have those ready to go instead of waiting 2 weeks for a plate to be made, then to proof a sample, and then get that a week later when the order's already been backed up for 3 weeks.
We've really had some successes, and we've created now labels for other people. So we're taking business from other outsourced places and running them here for products that we're packaging for people. Flexibility is critical to us because we have to be able to adjust to whatever the Department of Transportation might need or Health and Safety might need on the label. And those can change every 6 months to every 2 years or every 5 years. But we also have customers that make changes, and they might want a different fill weight or a different size. Rather than saying by weight, they might want to choose by gallons or by fluid ounces. So now we can actually take and throw away limited numbers of labels, make those changes, and then just run them within a day and get the customer what they really want. We needed to do this to control our business as much as we did it to get a return on investment. The money we save in plates and those changes will eventually pay for itself, but most importantly is if our product doesn't have a label that suits what our customers need, we can't ship product. So it's kind of a necessity and a control issue here internally to be able to get the product out fast. But also we just sometimes need to remove a headache that is a problem in our plant, and I think with the decision we've made, we've removed that headache, put a little bit extra effort on our end, having the employee resources doing it, but they're much happier knowing that if they need a label today at 4 o'clock, they can have a label today at 4 o'clock if they need it.